Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's become more relevant than ever: how to prevent pesky blackheads when wearing face masks. But before we jump into it, I want to share something exciting with you all. Are you looking to kickstart your weight loss journey? Check out the Keto 30 Days Meal Plan package. It's packed with delicious recipes and expert guidance to help you achieve your goals. Click the link in the description below to learn more. Alright, let's tackle those blackheads. As much as we love wearing face masks for protection, they can also lead to unwanted blackheads. But fear not. Here are 5 tips to keep your skin clear and glowing. Tip 1. Choose the right face mask. Tip number 1. Choose the right face mask. Opt for masks made of breathable materials like cotton, and ensure they fit snugly but not too tight to avoid excess friction on your skin. Cleanse your face before and after. Tip number 2. Cleanse your face before and after wearing a mask. Use a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, and makeup before putting on your mask, and cleanse again afterwards to unclog pores. Use non-comedogenic skincare products. Tip number 3. Use non-comedogenic skincare products. These products are formulated to not clog pores, reducing the risk of blackheads while keeping your skin hydrated and healthy. Take mask breaks. Tip number 4. Take mask breaks when possible. If you're in a safe environment, give your skin a breather by removing your mask for a few minutes throughout the day to minimize sweat and oil buildup. Exfoliate regularly. And last but not least, tip number 5, exfoliate regularly. Incorporate a gentle exfoliator into your skincare routine to remove dead skin cells and prevent blackheads from forming. And there you have it, folks, 5 simple tips to prevent blackheads while wearing face masks. Don't forget to check out the Keto 30 Days Meal Plan package.